In this video, we will generate a sales report using the template support in GC Excel. The report will show an overview of sales activity in Q4 of last year across different regions of China. The report can also be generated for 2 different financial years for comparison. First, create a .NET Core console application and prepare your data in C#. In the final report, data fields like area, city, item category, name, and sales are present and need to be added. Add region, item, and sale classes, which will act as the blueprint for the sales report generation. Once the data definitions are ready, initialize the data that will replace the data fields in the template. In the final report, category, item names, and the sales revenue will expand vertically. GC Excel template syntax uses double curly braces to define database fields. Create a new Excel workbook in Microsoft Excel and add the static headers and background on the cells that need to expand. Category is a property of the item class and sale class and contains a collection of items, so A14 is a nested field, where sales is the name of the data source. Similarly, items name and revenue cells, B14 and C14, can be defined as sales.items.name and sales.items.revenue. Next, define how your data needs to expand. The area header in C11, the region area in C12, and the region city in C13 all need to expand horizontally, so we'll specifically add an expansion property for these fields. For this, the sum function can be used on the revenue data field to calculate sales for each category, using the sum function for revenue cell C14, but with category cell A14 as its context. Similarly, you can calculate the sum of revenue for a region, C14, based on area as context. You can also get the total sales either on cell D14 or on cell C15, as both will return the same total revenue. Additionally, to compare this year's quarterly data with previous years, multiple sheets can be generated. For this, just rename the template sheet to sales.duration, where duration is a property in sale class. That's it. Your Excel template is ready to bind with data. Name the Excel template as sales_template.xlsx. Getting back into the .NET Core application, right-click Dependencies and select Manage NuGet Packages. Choose NuGet.org, and under the Browse tab, search for grapecity.documents.excel and click Install. Import the GC Excel namespace. Copy the Excel template, sales_template.xlsx in your project. In the program.cs file, create a new workbook and load the sales_template.xlsx file into it. Add data source sales to the workbook. Process the template. Save the report to XLSX. Run the application and notice the data being populated in your Excel file. You've just generated a sales report for 2 years and it is ready to compare your data. For more videos and tutorials, visit grapecity.com.